and nobody better than Jack can answer this question.
Okay, let's go for it. It's the big question. But it's not just replace teachers. Everyone's worried about their jobs being replaced. In order for that to happen, I think we have to look at two things. First, we have to look at how is the ability of ChatGPT going to increase? We've got ChatGPT 5 coming out. So first of all, what can it do? It's predicted to increase its ability vastly, very, very quickly. But more important than that, far more important than what it can actually do is what it's perceived to be able to do, how people perceive it. Now, I think businesses, companies, schools are going to try. I think they are. When you talk about, are they going to replace teachers? Well, of course, it makes sense. Teachers are expensive. Humans are expensive. And a ChatGPT, when they watch the videos from OpenAI, they go, wow, well, hang on a minute. I can save on my biggest cost, which is teachers. Businesses will try. Schools will be set up, run by AI robot. I have no doubt. My feeling, and it's an opinion, they will fail currently. They will absolutely fail. And the reason being is because when I was talking earlier about the job of a teacher, I said one thing is explaining, but that's not the job of a teacher. We don't just explain. I've got a 5-year-old and I put my 5-year-old to school. I don't just look to his teacher to explain things. I mean, he has the best teacher in the world. I've been lucky. All of his teachers have been absolutely fantastic. They don't just teach him how to count. They teach him morality. They teach him not to hit. They teach him to share. They teach him to be kind. They teach the most important skills beyond counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There is no way a parent is going to allow their most prized possession, which is their child, to be tested upon by an AI robot currently. So a business will try it and parents will reject it, I firmly believe. I hope. Currently. However, that's why I say it's about perceptions. Who knows what we're heading for? And this is the scary thing. Who knows what we're heading for in the world? But I don't think this is a question for me as a teacher. Where is AI going? Is it going to be absolutely absurd, it seems currently, but is it going to be acceptable that in 5 years or maybe less, it's going to be acceptable to be dating an AI, to have your best friend to be an AI? Sounds ludicrous, but maybe not. When you look at what happened last week, that's the scary thing. Maybe that is going to be socially acceptable, that children of the future will be marrying some form of AI. I laugh as I say it. But if that is acceptable, if we trust that it's absolutely normalized that you can marry an AI, that you can have your best friend as an AI, then and only then will parents say, okay, well, that's socially acceptable. I'll allow my child to be taught. But we are a long, long, long way off that being normal so far. So I cannot see that happening. But as I say, in a week, who knows? There we go. So that's my thought. I don't think there's any danger currently.